Hello everyone, welcome back to this channel. On today's video, I'm gonna show you how to zoom out in Google Sheets. So as you guys can see here, I've already opened my Google Sheets and now it's the the windows on my Google Sheet is like zoom in, and if you guys want to zoom it out, you can just click on the percentage in here. So this one right here is to do the zoom. So the bigger the zoom is, it will zoom in like this, and if you want to zoom out, you can just use or choose the smaller percentage from the one you chose before. So for example, I want to go with 90%. So just click on that and it will zoom out like this. So that's pretty easy, and that's a pretty much this tutorial. I hope this tutorial will be helpful to you. So thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to click thanks, like this video, comment and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done that. I'll catch you all in the following videos. Thank you.